Hi guys, in this video I shall be showing you how to correctly remove and assemble the bottom case of a MacBook. If you are performing an upgrade, then this video is for you. So let's get started. For this demonstration, I'll be using my M1 MacBook Pro. Make sure your MacBook is turned off. As I turn my MacBook around, you can see 6 P5 pentalobe screws. If you're not familiar with this, Apple designed their own screws so as to prevent people from accessing the internals. If you have a 2009 or later MacBook, they will have these. It is imperative to remember that the top and bottom corner screws will be far bigger than the bottom middle two screws. So for anyone new who wishes to disassemble their MacBook, you can use a magnetic map so not to forget. Once all the screws are removed, I have used a suction cup which I have placed at the bottom of the MacBook opposite to the vents. The reason why I don't use my fingernail near the vents is that the corners are in place using a sliding mechanism. I pull up using the suction cups, which allows me space in which to use a guitar pick. When you've gone all around the bottom and sides, you'll hear a click. Then pull towards you to release the top corners. You can then safely use your fingernail to pry the corners out. Be very careful so as not to damage any internal components. You can then safely remove the lid. Is it just me, or are the internals of a MacBook just as beautiful as the outside? While I'm here, I can give the MacBook a quick clean as there is some minimal build-up. Now it's time to reassemble. It isn't as simple as you might think. If you don't do it properly, you'll end up with a bigger gap and curve near the vents. The proper way to assemble a MacBook is by placing the lid as you would expect, leaving a gap where the corners are supposed to slide into before sliding it into the corners fully. It can be quite a faff, but once done, you can begin the job of reattaching the screws, making sure the smaller ones are located in the bottom two. There is a minor difference in size I noticed regarding the top and bottom corner screws. But always remember that the bigger ones always go in the top corners, relevant to where the vents are. Always use the vents as a reference point so the screws are in the correct place. Also, when reattaching the screws, do not screw them tight because you can strip the screws if not careful. And there we go. If you'd like to see more of my Mac teardown related videos, I will leave a thumbnail at the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And I will see you all in my next video.